So the product page is essentially built to make sure that you can create and keep track of all the necessary tags for your CRM. So you start by listing out all your products, and you can use these groups here to designate the type of product that it is. You can create a new group here. If you're selling coaching, you can just create that group here and give it a color and add your product. So that's pretty easy to do. Let's just create an example product here. Let's call it ABC. And we can open this up and give it all these attributes. Can click that template and it will auto-populate some of these. The status is planned because it's not live yet. This is a new product that we haven't made yet. In progress, once we start making it, we can use this. It's a course, so I'm going to leave that there. The owner is my business. But if it was a affiliate product, then I would put the owner in here or just type affiliate. Let's just say for argument's sake, this is going to have 5 modules with 5 lessons each. And this is going to be a mid-ticket offer, and it's going to be $197. We'll say needs update, and then when this goes to in progress, then this will go to updating. And we can set the priority as well. This is the only course I have, so it's going to be a P1. And this is all just for example purposes. And also give this an icon as well. That looks good. There's a space down here to write a description for the course. Add any affiliate links that you're recommending within this course. Once you have listed out all your products, then you want to list out each offer associated with the product. So we have this ABC course, and let's say the standard price is $197, like we said. So this is going to be a mid-ticket offer. The status is pending. The price is going to be $197, and we're going to link back to the ABC product. And then we're going to select this new offer, and we can write the details down here. Let's say we also want to have a special launch price for this product, ABC. So let's make a new offer for ABC launch, and we'll open it inside Peak. Click new offer, and this is going to be a low ticket offer. The price is going to be $97, and we're going to link back to that same product there. And then you also want to think about any way that your customers can get access to this particular product. What could they purchase? So if there's a bundle that includes the ABC course, you want to note that down as well. Or if you're offering it as a reward for referral incentives or engagements, that kind of thing, write those down as well. And once you have all your offers written down, now it's time to write down your tags. And so the tags can take one of many forms, but you basically want every offer to have a tag for a customer and also a tag for refund. And you may also want to create tags for other things like lead magnets. You don't really have to create a refund tag for a lead magnet because it doesn't cost any money. So people can't refund a lead magnet. You also probably want a tag for your members, your community members, tags for leads in your funnels, and tags for referral rewards as well. But for now, we'll just focus on these 2 offers, which will be customers and refunds. I'm going to say ABC, standard, $197. I like to use a standard format for my tags so that I know what they mean just by looking at them, but because you have this tool that allows you to organize your tags nice and neatly, you don't necessarily have to be as formulaic with your tags. The eStage ID will add this in when we add it to eStage. The create ID, same thing here. This is when it's created in eStage. So for now, the status is pending, and once we add it, it will be active. The phase, so this one will be standard. The price is going to be $197. We're going to link to the ABC product, and we're going to link to the ABC standard offer. And yeah, we can create a new tag here. This is a good place to write any additional notes related to this tag. So we also want to create a refund tag for the same offer. So we're going to go ABC and type out refund there as well, so we know it's distinct. We'll add this in manually when you add it to eStage. Phase is standard, price is $197, products ABC offers ABC standard. So then you would do the same thing. You would create a tag for the launch offer, right? And then you would create a refund tag for that as well. But I won't do that just for the sake of demonstration purposes. The product updates dashboard will tell you what products need to be updated, what's in progress, and what's live. So because we've designated ABC as it needs an update, because this is a new course that we haven't made yet, that's why it's down here. So basically the products that are updated, you don't need to pay attention to. You just want to look at the ones that need your attention. This is where you want to be looking. So that's all for the product page. Now let's move over to the content page.